All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 long wheelbase shorty with 30,000 miles. Beautiful white with the gray vinyl interior. AM/FM stereo system. It's got backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage on the body. Let's go real quick. It's pretty good. Got some chips, 1, 2 right there. Here we got like a little dent right here, 3, 6. Your hood looks good. Your fender looks good. Your front passenger rim, front driver's rim looks good. Steel wheel, really. Tire thread is over 8/32. This door looks okay here. We do have a dent with paint off, as you can see right there. It seems to be 3, 6, 12, about 16 inches. Boom. Small scratch coming off of that, about 3. All right, but the rest of the quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. Your tire thread back here is over 8/32 as well. Coming around. Power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It does come with a 1-key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Let's turn on this vehicle so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Do have AM/FM stereo system. We got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure and your mileage of 30,208. Pretty much completes the tour. Keep it moving. Coming around here in the rear bumper, you do have a cracking 3, 6, about 6 inches. You could buy this little corner piece. All right. The bumper has a couple of dents on it. Some dents on it. You can fix it. You can leave it like that. It opens and closes. These doors do swing out all the way, as you can see. For the 250. Boom, got your little stompers there. Of course, this is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice. Let's check out your roof if I can reach. Yep, the roof looks good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here, really. Nice. There's what one of your doors looks like. Boom, very nice. Check out your other side, other door. And this one looks good. This quarter, got a couple of dings. 1, 2, 3. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. The tire thread here, excuse me, is over 8/32. These doors look good, and they swing open out, like as you can see. Is what your cargo area looks like from the side view. Boom. This door looks good. Here's the other door. That one looks good. Front door looks good. Front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. It is missing your headrest on it. Okay. If I find one, it's gonna get on. If not, that's all I got for you guys. Here's your front passenger steel wheel and your tire thread. Is at just under 7/32. Let me double check it. Just a little bit above 7/32. Lights are working, car is running, things are beautiful. Folks, once again, a 2017 Ford Transit T-250 long wheelbase, low top with 30,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.